Hey everyone, Bob here from Pompr.com. Pompr comes with some preloaded scenes and characters, but its real power is building your own scenes and characters. Let's build a custom scene. Click the plus new button at the top of the scene panel. This is the location scout. Give your scene a name. Let's call it My Office. And pick a category. We'll choose Life. The environment type is a pop-up menu. Interior, exterior, studio, void. Pick the one that best suits your needs. The atmosphere vibe field. This is where you put the mood you're looking for. The location details field. This is where you describe the room. Pro tip, don't describe the actor here, just the room itself. Follow along with the green paragraph below as you add your scene's details. The lighting rig field. Describe the lighting you want the place to have. Foggy, bright and sunny, dark and moody, it's up to you. Text specs field. Some sites can take advantage of lens and camera descriptions within the prompt. Pompr gives you that option. If you click Save to Location Rig, it'll load your scene into the scene panel immediately. And if you click on Export Scene Card, now you can download your scene as a reusable JSON file that you can load into Pompr whenever you like, and you could share it with anyone. My Office is locked in. You could do the same for characters in the character panel. Let's build a custom character. Click the plus new button at the top of the character panel. This is where you describe the character. Pro tip, just like in the custom scene panel, follow along with the green paragraph below as you add your character's details. Give your character a name, Joe, and a category for Joe. We'll choose Life. Next comes age, gender, and ethnicity. Describe the face shape and the nose shape. Fill out the description for the eyes, hair, and skin details. Describe what outfit Joe is wearing, head to toe. Give Joe a personality, easygoing, calm, but alert. The consistency suite. Some websites like Midjourney will let you use reference images with your prompt. If you include a URL address for an image for the character you want to use, you can copy and paste it here. Just be sure you have the right to use that image. If you click Save to Casting Board, it'll load your character into the character panel immediately. And if you click Export JSON, your character will be saved as a reusable file that you can load into Pompr whenever you like, and you can share it with anyone. Joe is locked in. How do you load your character and scene? Simply click on the Real Loader button in the top right corner of the console. Click on the green Browse JSON Files button and navigate to where you saved your files. Your character and scene will show up in the panels just like you wrote them. Now you can mix and match. Put Joe in My Office or put the welder in My office.
What?
Even better, you can put Joe and the welder as actor 2 in My Office. Pompr remembers your logic so you never have to type it twice. And that's a good thing.
Oh yeah, that is a good thing.
I really like this Pompr.
It's Pompr. Yeah, you guys are adorable. I'm Bob, and I'll see you in the director's chair.